Good morning, everyone. Welcome to the June 1st, 2026 here, Monday at 9:16 a.m. Mountain Time, past 11 a.m. Eastern Time. We have Nasdaq near flat here, 0.09% up slightly on much lower volume here, down 13% at this moment. Dow is actually negative zero point 0.4, and S&P is also down very little, 0.09%. However, volume is higher on that exchange, NYSE here, uh, up over 20%. So depending where we close, we could have a distribution day here if S&P slide down further. And yeah, so that's what's happening on the index side. Let's go take a look on the daily chart here. This is QQQ ETF, the Nasdaq 100 weighted ETF here. It is up slightly here, 0.2%. So very similar to the index here, and it is trading at the top of the range, so it has bounced back from slightly the drop in this morning. So again, you can see this trend continue. This uptrend continues very strong. It is still above the 10-day. It does look slightly extended at this moment, but again, the market show resilience even this morning. It just doesn't want to go down, so that is still a very good sign. Let's go to SPY here. So SPY, it is kind of a little bit lower on the trading range right now, so it is down. So there's this little bit of negative at this moment. Again, we saw the volume is higher, so something to watch for later. All right, let's go to Dow Jones. This one is also down right now, 0.24%, trading at the bottom of the range right now. So again, negative there. And finally, Russell 2000 ETF here. This one also trading much lower, down 1% at this moment. Coming back to the 10-day line, green line here, also trading near the bottom. I think it's bouncing a little bit, but not that much. So, yeah. So that's that. Let's go look at stocks on the move. Um, so there was some issue on, I think, um, I mean, there's some news about the Iran war, and Israel also. Like they may, at least that's what I saw earlier, that they're firing at each other again. So here, Iran news outlet reported that Tehran has vowed to stop negotiation with the U.S., so that's a problem there, and also close the Strait of Hormuz. It blamed Israel military action in Lebanon. So that's what's happening there. Yeah, causing some, a little bit negative news right now. And yeah, so basically, not sure what's that gonna mean going forward the next few days, but that is, starting to um, create problem for the negotiation talk as well. So that's part of the problem. And let's go to stocks on the move. Sorry, got lost track here. So MDB here running pretty high. Let's take a quick look at that one. So big move this morning. So last week it reported and it bounced back pretty nicely from intraday low on Friday, and then today we followed through up 17% this moment. So that is very strong. We also have Dell here making a move. On this one, this is incredible. This one jumped a lot on the Dell earnings, and then following again through today 8%. And here is Snow also jumping on strong earnings on last week and followed to Friday and today as well, 9%. So very strong move after the earnings. Next we have Twilio here. So there's some software related stocks doing okay, right? MDB and this one. So this one also making a big move today, up 13% here. What else do we have? We have ARM, Datadog. Okay, let's take a look at ARM. This one continued to show a lot of strength. Look at this, another big move today, 17% at this moment. So definitely, like some of these stocks are going for much more extended right now because you can see the 10 days down here and the price up here. So generally, there's a lot of risk now of you getting in at this point. So I wouldn't, I definitely wouldn't do that. So, but yeah, if you have it, this is good. Like, even take some profit at this moment, can be healthy here. Then we have, let's see here, Datadog. This one also running really strong. This one actually like since the earnings is just making higher lows every day and higher highs and then now we're starting to run really fast here. So again, some of these stocks here are showing climatic kind of move. So definitely good time to take some profit. Um, I have no idea how far it will go, but that's just very extended at this moment. Let's keep going here. What else do we have? 8 Arista network. Let's take a look at that one. This one also starting to run faster now. And you can see it's starting to get a little bit extended from the 10-day. Yeah. So then we have what else here? We have MOGA, we have HCC, and ALNT here. Um, not well, I can't get the other screen to load because there's something wrong to see more stocks. But some of the stocks I tracked this morning, let's see here. You see Cloudflare. Let's take a look at that one. Net. So there is some software stocks that have been rising. Um, so here's Net here. So very strong 3-day move today, another 7%. And this is pretty much a V-shaped rebound. It's very volatile lately. Well, it's been volatile for a long time. So yeah. Let's see, what else do I have here this morning? HGV in the leisure service area, Hilton, LNT, Mod. Yeah, let's take a look at Mod. Okay, Modine Manufacturing. This one is bouncing slightly here. It's up 2.9%. So we have this gap up from earnings, but then it pulled back after that. So that is negative, but it has bounced back many times. It's very choppy to this stock, so it might be a little bit risky trading this one as it has really short-term moves on the downside. Yeah. All right, that's pretty much it to start the week off. Again, the news with Iran could get worse, if nothing is negotiated right away, or because they just said they will stop all attacks. They're gonna stop the ceasefire. So who knows, right? So we'll see how this will start. And we are at the beginning of the month. So usually at the beginning of the month, we have a strong April and May. Whether this is a turn, I don't know. It's unlikely, but at the same time, who knows, right? So we'll have to wait and see. Thank you all for watching. Have a very good day. Bye now.